So today we're going to be learning how to make a frosted shower door. First thing I'm going to do is clean the door off and take this off. I'm going to be using an oven cleaner as well as this sprayer, which the name I forget. And then we're going to need some frosted glass. I like the Rust-Oleum brands. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off the handle and clean my glass. Alright, so make sure you give it a test spray to see how it sprays before you actually spray. And we're going to start. Definitely make sure you do this outside. It smells like acetone. Alright, so I got my first coat on. I'm going to go ahead and wait a couple minutes. It says to do at least 2 coats. We'll see what it looks like after 2. It looks like after you wait 10 minutes. Probably doesn't look as frosted on the camera because I'm outside. So at this point you can either put the handles back on the shower door, or you can do like I'm gonna do and spray paint the handle. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the handle. Make sure you clean the handle, and also you want to make sure it's dry. I'm painting the handle in my garage because I don't want the paint to accidentally spray on the shower door. So just make sure if you're in your garage that you're in a well ventilated part of the garage. Leave the doors open, all that good stuff. Moving on. Alright, so we're going to use some Rust-Oleum metallic finish spray paint. It's rose gold, one of my favorite colors. As you can see, I used the bottle quite a bit. Alright, so you just shake the bottle, and I'm just applying one single coat. And I'm going to go across, just 1 scoop across. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you all have a great day. Please remember to hit the like button and the subscribe button and that little bell so that you can get notifications when I put up new videos. Have a good one.